What is up, guys? It's your boy here, Kip Kustoms, back with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I take these foam-posite looking Jordans that look like somebody's dad's shoes, and I'm going to turn these into some hype beasts. Yup.
Hey, look, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't even know what I was trying to even say, but I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. If you watching this, obviously this is old me from like 2 years ago, 2017, college sophomore me. I'm just taking out old material and using it, you know. But enjoy.
Hype beast Jordans, alright? I'm going to put some red Bape camo all throughout the shoe, do the Bape teeth, and pretty much make these some fly dad shoes. So shout out to all the hype beasts who are also dads. This one's here for you. Stay tuned, guys.
Think we found a new one.
From nothing to something. Yes, sir.
I swear the trap doing numbers.
For with you tonight, you know I am. Cause my work is doing numbers out the gym. Used to have to sell the work to pay the rent. Now my work is doing numbers out the gym. For with you tonight, you know I am. Cause my work is doing numbers out the gym. Used to have to sell the work to pay the rent. Now my work is doing numbers out the gym. Just then, brand new message that my Glock came with an extend. Trap doing numbers out the gym. Used to have to sleep on the couch at my best friends. Used to think I gotta make my exit. Then the trap started booming, it was pregnant. Had me smoking presidential, no election. And I don't gotta beg nobody for no breakfast. No, cause shit is real. Niggas, they don't know the way I came up, they don't know the way I feel. They don't know about the nights when I was broke off in the field. Family worried if I'ma win, but shit, I told them that I will. I Louisiana driving, trying to find a better deal. Trying to find me a connect and drive it to the airline. Trying to see $500,000. By any means we get it. For with you tonight, you know I am. Cause my work is doing numbers out the gym. Used to have to sell the work to pay the rent.